Do you want to know how I recovered this large 4-foot wooden stocking and created the swag on the top to enhance its beauty? I inherited this red felt covered stocking, and I'm going to take this off now. First, let's get a little fortification. My newest obsession is this Dr. Pepper's Strawberry Vanilla Zero. It sounds terrible, but it's really good. So what I'm going to do is to take a heat gun like this and remove the felt from both sides of the wooden stocking. Be very careful with this heat gun. It gets to about 1,000 degrees, but it will melt the glue. Be careful what you're putting in it also, because it will also melt plastic or any kind of rubber. So I'm going to take the felt off both sides of the stocking. Then I use the wooden stocking itself to create a pattern of moss green velvet, and I added about 2 inches on all sides so that I could create little slits, cut little slits rather, and then glue them down to the stocking in the back. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm gluing down the stocking to the wooden form. And the easy part is the straight away. The curved parts are a little tricky. You have to be very careful around the curved parts. It's a little bit harder to get it smooth. Then I cut out some brown velvet, the exact shape of the stocking, and used Mod Podge to cover it. And then I am making the swag here that's going to go on the top of it, and I'm just showing how I used Mod Podge and a little diamond dust to enhance the little twig balls, made a bow for the center, and then added in some other ribbon along the top and some other enhancements. And in this part, I'm just gluing all that down. Now I'm tying the swag to the stocking itself, and this is kind of what it's going to look like. My customer wanted a woodland theme to match the wreath that you can see in the background, and here it is. And this is all you have to do to get a very pretty stocking wall hanging for Christmas in the woodland theme.